Welcome friends, in this tutorial I want to show you how to install Primavera P6 Professional 17.17. So I downloaded this online and now extracted it to this. So I'm opening the folder. So the first thing will be to go to setup and click to install. So you say typical, install. So next thing I'll run database configuration. So here I'll click down here and pick P6 Pro standalone SQLite. I'll click next. So the database alias is PMDB. Then I will now add a new standalone database connection. So here I will repeat admin as my password. I leave all other things the way it is. So here I will choose where my file name will be. I've already created a folder in my drive C, which I called Primavera DB. So I want the file to be inside here. So I'll click save. So I have it there. So and I'll click next. Then my database alias is still shown there. Then I'll click finish. So that has been done. So the next thing I'm going to do will be to go to my start button. So here I have P6 Professional 17. That's a 64-bit application. So here I will type my password admin. This is good. Then I'll click OK. So here it's saying the appropriate industry for your organization has not yet been selected in admin preference. You can click OK and wait for it to load. So it's now loading and this is what you see. So this is the environment for Primavera P6 Professional 17. So we are going to start our configuration.